We learned a lot of words this week. Time to recap them, friends. Master Azerbaijani Weekly Recap has Bəzən, where we learned how to say sometimes, occasionally. We also learned how to say Buralar, these places around here. We learned QARIŞIQ, stuff that are messy, mixed, chaotic. We learned Əlbəttə, of course, for sure. We learned FIRILDAQ for tricks and scams or scammers. We learned how to look for them with Axtarmaq. And we learned BİRDÄN, suddenly, all of a sudden. Remember, we also had some fun dad joke style uses of those. Let's see. We had my map says adventure, my feet says stay buralarda. Running late? Again? Əlbəttə. Work is stressful, but Bəzən, a little break saves the day. Now, I spent 5 minutes Axtarmaq for my phone while it rang in my hand. Another one. When you see a QARIŞIQ disk, it means they have a system. I hit save, and BİRDÄN, the app crashed. Perfect. Now, time to quiz you. Which word means scam? Drop in the bottom in the comments. Don't worry about typing certain letters that are not in English keyboard. Just type in the closest one, right? Make sure to come back. Next week, we're starting new topic, new words. Until then, I will see you in masterazerbaijan.com. But remember, continue coming because consistency is fluency. I have news for you. I also have Master Azerbaijani app that is available to be downloaded if you prefer systematic curriculum-based learning. Otherwise, starting new week, next week, come back and check. Cheers.